Every other basic bike on this earth.
Wanna know the worst thing in the whole entire world is I'm gonna have to. I can't fix this. Oh,
What's up, guys? Here with Cooper Dunkley. He hasn't uploaded.
Trying to.
Have you guys asked him about his new build?
Get out of here. There's no new build. It's slow.
Forged everything, right, Cooper?
Yes.
What are you
Show
doing
him the
today?
meth injection.
What are you doing today?
Swapping some fittings.
Why?
Leaking.
What are you doing tomorrow, Cooper?
Racing.
Who are you racing?
Freaking NOS.
That's enough. That's enough time.
Oh, neck, dude. This
Cooper got a meth injection kit.
Dude, it's supposed to be -8, and I asked him if it was and dude, I called JC, like the actual owner, JC.
JC Whitney.
No, JC, the guy that makes this stuff.
We
And I
got the
asked him,
bugs in
I was
here.
like, is it -8 on both sides? And he's like, yeah.
We got Paxton in here.
It's gone.
Cooper's brother. Cool bike over there. Failed the test. Just kidding.
Hell yeah, about my race test.
Cooper, come on, hurry. Cooper, you're on the spot. Cooper, come on.
We have some multi-class.
Maybe you should get some more lighting in here, Cooper.
I usually bring over my Milwaukee lamp.
Where's it at?
I have no idea where the flashlights are at in this place. Dad gave me one. Oh, I have one in my truck. Do you want me to grab that?
No, it's good. I'm just talking smack to Cooper. Alright guys, so this was starting to leak, the oil drain, and so it was literally leaving a good amount of oil on the ground. So Cooper gave me this hose. He said it was really good, so we're gonna put this one on. Guys, next day on the vlog, it's raining on the way to Firebird 1/4 mile track. Dang, hope it's not raining over there. Cooper over there up ahead. That's crazy. By the way, guys, I'm on meth injection. Did a boost reference, and today's the first day I try it out, and it was the first day I put it on, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. That's insane. This is the first time I run the bug in the rain. Actual rain. No! That's crazy. We're gonna ride it out. I don't got wipers. Got Cooper again. Cooper.
We're
We're gonna run today.
Need a little help from cars that create a little bit of air.
I want an 8-second Civic.
He's on the way. We're gonna line up with the Civic.
You need like 20 grand.
We're gonna turn on the bug. Hope it runs good. Got mostly all of it gutted. Oh, here's the meth injection using the windshield washer reservoir, and it's boost reference. Got these lines, this other vacuum port, and yeah, just straight into the intake manifold right there. Turn it on and let's go. That guy's crazy. He's rev limit happy. Alright guys, so yesterday was a combination of a bunch of problems, and I ended up with a a misfire, rough idle. Gonna change the spark plugs. Hope it turns on just fine, and I hope the meth didn't cause any damage, because if it did, I mean, it would be time for a new rebuild with bigger stuff. So let's try to take off the spark plugs and hope, and just inspect the spark plugs and see if it was either from just a bunch of use on the spark plugs or something else. Alright, the first one's about to come out. Cylinder 1. I think I ran out of fuel already. We'll see if I had any fuel, but I think I'm done with fuel. Oh, that's why. I don't have my fuel pump on. Now let's turn it on. Had it idle on its own now. See what the AFRs look like. I did get a brand new sensor. Got it at O'Reilly. It wasn't running any good. It was running super rich on my way back home. So hopefully the spark plug solved the issue. So it's still cold, but I mean, gotta let it warm up. Once it warms up, I'll find out what the actual numbers are. But yeah, yesterday was a big mess. I'm gonna have to get Cooper to send me the video. I raced the Honda Civic. Well, I was trying to race a Honda Civic and I didn't do good off the launch. Right when I let off the clutch, it literally just fell on its face and popped me out of gear. So that didn't work out for me. I should have practiced before I even went. Yeah, it's not sounding good. That's exactly what it did yesterday. Could be several other things. I do got some oil leaking down there, so I'll get that fixed. Sounds like a misfire to me. Could be heads. It's not an intake leak. Could be heads, could be pistons gone out. Can't find out until I work on it, but it's good at idle when I rev it. Alright guys, quick little update. I ended up taking off the engine. Got some big stuff coming for this little boy already, so time to start tearing it apart. I was thinking about the whole misfiring issue. Could have to do with the spark plug thread gap, not the gap, the spark plug thread that was really bad. But either way, I'm gonna fix that, remove the head, fix that, check the valves and everything, make sure all that is good. If I have to order new heads, I'm going to do that. Right now, I preferably don't want to yet, because I don't want to spend so much money at the same time right now, as I got other stuff going on. You got another baby coming on the way, so really don't want to spend a lot of money right now. Could be a better time to just do it right now than later, but we'll see how the heads look. So yeah, gonna remove the heads. I got a brand new camshaft coming on the way, Engel TCS 10 for turbocharged engines, and it'll give it a little lobe and kind of like not a very choppy idle, but it'll give it something. Angle camshaft, and then just gonna do some slip-in pistons, probably some 87s or 88s. We'll see what I can do. If I do 88s, I'm gonna do thick wall with bigger heads, and then later on, if I decide to bore out the case or get another case in, it'll be easier for me to do a bigger build later on. So if I do some bigger heads and some thick wall 88s, I think it will be perfect for me, because later on I'll be able to just get another case, which I already got another one. I got a AS41 aluminum case, so I'll be saving that for near future. So right now I'm just gonna do camshaft, check on the heads and pistons, and if those are decently alright enough to run it maybe like for the rest of the year, I'll do that. If not, then I'll probably just start ordering the rest of the stuff. Hopefully I have it ready by next month so I can take it to the Bus and Pilot show. And there's also another car show coming, so we'll see if I end up doing more stuff with the baby coming on the way. We'll open up the case and we'll find out what it looks like. So stay tuned for the next video. I will be tearing down the engine, and hope you guys enjoy. There was a lot of things happening with the bug already, so I think it was time to get to it already. So stay tuned. Hope you guys have a good one. God bless you guys, and hope you guys are looking forward to the new build. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can for you guys, but like I said, I'm not gonna be a professional builder on this motor, as it's going to be my first time. So I will be looking at books, I will be looking at everything. I'll be getting myself some gauges and stuff like that, so I can check for clearance, everything when I start rebuilding, putting everything back together, and look at the line bore and make sure that all that is good. And if it's good, then I will proceed with my build. But if I have to do anything to it and shaving some stuff down, then it'll make the process longer. But right now I see it easy. We all know how that goes. So stay tuned for the next video and have a good one. Peace. God bless you guys.